Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix House Flipper Remastered Collection game stuttering, freezing, lagging or FPS drop on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the House Flipper Remastered Collection game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then just restart your PC, and once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick, controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM. Also close all other software or additional peripherals connected to PC, and then you can go ahead and relaunch the game and check. Fix 3 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper Remastered Collection game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on properties, and in general tab you will see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then also disable the Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to update your graphic card driver. Now, NVIDIA users can update their graphics card via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card via AMD Adrenal software. So if your PC has NVIDIA graphic card driver, then in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the drivers tab, and here you will see the check for updates. So click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then simply download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper Remastered Collection game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open the game installation folder, go to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the House Flipper Remastered Collection game folder. Now first double click on the House Flipper exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on House Flipper exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab and then check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game by double clicking the House Flipper exe file and then check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down here select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then from the drop down from here select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes. Just uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an apps to control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the House Flipper Remastered Collection game folder and then look for House Flipper exe file and select it and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it to the list, go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the House Flipper Remastered Collection game folder. Look for House Flipper exe file. Select it and then click on open. and then click on add to add to list. After adding it to the list, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for House Flipper Remastered Collection game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then you have to allow the game exe file to your antivirus program, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 8 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on House Flipper Remastered Collection game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. And in the launch options, first type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, and this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 9 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, House Flipper Remastered Collection game folder. Look for House Flipper exe file, select it, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, click on the drop down and then select high performance. And after selecting high performance, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 10 is to, if able to launch the game, then you can perform these steps, or you can skip these steps if the game is not launching. So first of all, launch the House Flipper Remastered Collection game. Then try to turn off VSync off, set dynamic resolution mode to FSR DLSS to quality, turn off DLSS, switch to exclusive full screen or windowed mode, and lower down graphic settings. And then try to launch the game and check. You can also turn off VSync or turn on VSync. You can switch between quality. You can turn on DLS and turn off DLS. You can switch to exclusive full screen, or you can also switch to windowed mode and then lower down your graphic settings and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to delete House Flipper Remastered Collection saved game folder. Now please take a note. You will lose all the save game progress and save settings, so keep backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the House Flipper Remastered Collection saved game folder. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open the local low folder, open this local low folder, and then open the Frozen Wave folder. And inside the Frozen Wave folder, you will see the House Flipper Remastered Collection folder. First right click on this folder and then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And after deleting the House Flipper Remastered Collection folder, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the update, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall House Flipper Remastered Collection game from your PC, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve House Flipper Remastered Collection game stuttering, freezing, lagging, or FPS drop on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.